Welcome to Chain Train, your go-to podcast for the latest in cryptocurrency. In this episode, we dive into the US administration's first crypto summit, Trump's unexpected embrace of Bitcoin, Coinbase's India expansion, and cybersecurity threats like the MassJacker malware. Plus, we analyze the latest market moves, major investments, and institutional adoption. Buckle up, it's time to ride the chain train. The US administration held its first crypto summit, focusing on regulation, financial innovation, and economic opportunities. Key outcomes include support for a strategic Bitcoin reserve ending, Operation Chokepoint 2.0, and efforts to establish regulatory clarity for stablecoins. The OCC reaffirmed banks' ability to engage in crypto activities without prior supervisory approval. Executive orders established the Bitcoin Reserve, promoted digital asset adoption, and formed a congressional working group on crypto regulation. The SEC launched a crypto task force, sought public input, and paused enforcement actions, marking a shift in regulatory approach. Bitcoin rose 2% to $81,830, but remained under pressure amid US tariff concerns and recession fears. Trump's 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum fueled economic uncertainty, with markets wary of inflation and slowing growth. US stocks extended losses, dragging crypto markets lower as speculative assets faced selling pressure. Trump's Bitcoin reserve announcement failed to boost sentiment as it won't involve new purchases. Altcoins remained weak, with Ethereum down 1.1% to a three-year low. Traders awaited US inflation data, with sticky inflation reducing chances of Fed rate cuts weighing on crypto markets. Trump, once a critic of Bitcoin, has shifted his stance, now aiming to make the US the crypto capital of the world. His pro-crypto position emerged during his 2024 campaign, where he warned against China's dominance in the sector. Hosting a White House summit with CEOs and investors, he reinforced crypto's strategic importance. Experts see this shift as a geopolitical move, not just economic policy. Bitcoin's market expansion since his first term has played a role in this change. Trump's stance aligns with growing US interest in digital assets amid global competition, particularly with China. Coinbase has registered with India's Financial Intelligence Unit, allowing it to offer crypto trading services in compliance with local regulations. The exchange plans to launch retail services later this year, expanding its investment in India, where crypto interest is rising. Other major exchanges in India include CoinDCX, Binance, and KuCoin. Despite a 30% tax on crypto gains, India has yet to finalize regulations for digital assets. The government is reviewing its stance amid global regulatory changes influenced by recent US policy shifts following Donald Trump's election victory. MassJacker, a newly discovered clipboard hijacking malware, uses 7785531 wallet addresses to steal cryptocurrency by replacing copied wallet addresses with attacker-controlled ones. Discovered by CyberArk, the malware has funneled over $300,000 to a Solana wallet. Distributed via Pesc.com, it spreads through pirated software, executing a multi-stage infection chain using Amadebot and obfuscated loaders. The final payload injects into installUtil.exe, monitoring the clipboard for crypto transactions. CyberArk urges deeper investigation into large-scale cryptojacking operations to uncover threat actor identities. Munaf Ali, CEO of AEDX-listed Phoenix, has acquired over 20 million company shares, reaffirming confidence in its long-term growth. Phoenix's stock trades at DH0.99, below its 1 dirham 5 IPO price. Ali's investment aligns executive interests with shareholders as the company expands. Phoenix, a leader in digital asset mining, is considering a US listing to support its North American Bitcoin mining expansion. The firm aims to scale high-margin self-mining operations and diversify geographically in 2025 and beyond. Bybit is expanding in Africa, targeting Kenya, Ethiopia, and Nigeria as key markets. At the Bybit Kenya meetup in Nairobi, executives confirmed efforts to acquire licenses for legal operations. The event gathered fintech leaders to discuss blockchain and crypto's future in Africa. Bybit addressed a recent $1.5 billion Ethereum theft from a third-party platform, assuring users were unaffected and reinforcing security commitments. The company plans long-term investments in Africa through partnerships, education, and user growth, aiming to shape the continent's digital financial future with secure and innovative trading solutions. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, saw its stock drop 16.68% to $239.27 on March 10, 2025, after announcing plans to raise $21 billion via preferred stock to buy more Bitcoin. The company, which holds 500,000 BTC worth $40 billion, has not purchased Bitcoin for 2 consecutive weeks. Investors were disappointed by Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve, which consists of seized assets rather than new purchases. The broader crypto stock market also fell, with Coinbase down 17.58% and Robinhood dropping 19.79%. Strategy's shift to a Bitcoin-focused model raises concerns about dilution and financial sustainability. Deutsche Boerse's post-trade unit Clearstream will offer cryptocurrency custody and settlement services for Bitcoin and Ether to institutional clients starting next month. Using Deutsche Boerse's subsidiary Cryptofinance as a subcustodian, Clearstream aims to expand its digital asset services over time to include staking, lending, and brokerage. This move marks a significant step by a major European financial institution into the crypto sector. That's a wrap on this episode of Chain Train. As regulations evolve and markets shift, we'll be here to keep you updated on every twist and turn. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media, and join the conversation. Until next time, keep your wallet secure and your eyes on the chain.